Here to Whanau. Here's a song by two of my favourite singers, Miss Ella Fitzgerald in the 1900s, and of course, one of my favourite male singers, Mr. Johnny Mathis, who remixed this version of Ella Fitzgerald's earlier song, a song called Misty. Look at me, I'm as helpless as a kitten up a tree. And I think that I'm clinging to a cloud I can't understand. I get misty just holding your hand. Walk my way, and 1,000 violins begin to play. Or could it be the sound of your hello? That music I hear, I get misty the moment you're near. You can say that you're leading me on. That is something that I want you to do. Don't you notice how helplessly I'm lost? That's why I'm following you. On my own, would I wander through this wonderland alone, never knowing my right foot from my left, my hat from my glove? I'm too misty and too much in love. Do 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 oh my own, would I wander through this wonderland alone, never knowing my right foot from my left, my hat from my glove? I'm too misty and too much in love. I'm too misty and too much in